Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR and the Aeitto. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or office. When it comes to price, the COWSAR ice maker is significantly more expensive at $679 United States dollars, while the Aeitto offers a more budget-friendly option at $199 United States dollars. This price difference raises the question, does the COWSAR justify its higher cost with additional features or performance? Let's find out. In terms of ice production, the COWSAR ice maker can produce 9 bullet ice cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Aeitto can produce 8 ice cubes in the same time frame. Although the difference is minimal, the COWSAR has a slight edge in speed, making it potentially more suitable for larger gatherings or events. Both the COWSAR and Aeitto ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning features, making maintenance a breeze. This is an essential aspect for users who want to ensure their machines remain hygienic and functional without the hassle of manual cleaning. It's great to see that both products prioritize user convenience in this regard. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and Aeitto ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COWSAR offers faster ice production and a higher capacity, while the Aeitto is more affordable and still provides essential features like self-cleaning. But, depending on your budget and ice-making needs, either could be a great choice for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.